Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cikgu Zack. This video is meant for the Year 5 pupils. We are using our English Plus 1 textbook. This is a continuation lesson on Unit 3. Our topic is Language Focus, Questions with How. Before we start, let's look at the objectives for today. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to first, use how correctly when asking about abilities, and 2. Write questions using how in correct structure. Let's look at these two examples. How far can an eagle see? How big can a gorilla grow? You use how to ask about abilities. How do you ask these questions in your own language? Now let's look at another set of examples. How heavy is an elephant? How tall is a giraffe? You also use how to ask about facts. Okay, children, how do you ask these questions in your own language? Let's look at the last set of examples. How many states are there in Malaysia? How many English dictionaries do you have? You can use how to ask about quantities. Now, children, how do you ask these questions in your own language? It's quiz time! I hope you're ready! Let's look at the adjectives given. Far, long, tall, heavy, fast, many. What do you need to do? You need to use how and choose one of the adjectives given to complete the question. Let's look at the example given. Blank is a new baby. Now, you have to add how and one of the adjectives given to complete the question. And the best form of question is, how heavy is a new baby? Now it is time for you to complete the questions from number 1 until number 5. You may pause this video for you to be able to complete the questions. Let's check the answers. Good job, everyone! Now let's read the questions together. How fast can the fastest person run? How many countries are there in the world? How tall is an adult giraffe? How long is an adult crocodile? How far is the North Pole from the South Pole? Okay, children, since you have written all the questions correctly, I think you are ready now to try to answer all the questions. You can see all the questions on your left side, and on your right side, you can see all the answers for the questions. However, which answer is for which question? Let's read the choices of answers given. 2.5 and 4.5 kilos, 44 kilometers an hour, 5 and 6 meters, 4 meters, 196, 20,000 and 14 kilometers. Now you may pause the video so that you would be able to match the answer to the suitable question. Let's check the answers. Let's read the questions and the answers together. How heavy is a new baby? I think that a new baby is between 2.5 and 4.5 kilos. How fast can the fastest person run? I think that the fastest person can run about 44 kilometers an hour. How many countries are there in the world? I think that there are 196 countries in the world. How tall is an adult giraffe? I think that an adult giraffe is between 5 and 6 meters tall. How long is an adult crocodile? I think that an adult crocodile is 4 meters long. How far is the North Pole from the South Pole? I think that the North Pole is 20,014 kilometers from the South Pole. Alright, children, it is time for our final activity. Let's ask. You can ask anyone near you. You may use the structure given to help you to prepare the questions. How far? How fast? How many? How tall? How heavy? And how big? Alright, children, that's all for today. Thank you for joining my lesson. Goodbye, stay safe, and stay at home.